Now let's talk about how to create a watch list on DexScreener. First, open your browser and go to DexScreener.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to find a token you want to track. There are two easy ways to do this. You can browse by scrolling through sections like New Pairs or Filter Tokens by Blockchain, such as Ethereum or Solana, or if you already know what you're looking for, just use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the token name or trading pair, like Mudding ETH, and select it from the results. After you open the token's trading pair, look near the top right of the chart. You'll see a star icon. Click that star, and the token will be added to your default watch list. This is usually called something like Favorites or Main List. If you want to organize things further, you can manage your watch list from the sidebar. Open the watch list panel on the left or right side of the screen. From there, you can create new custom lists. This is useful if you want to separate different types of tokens, like high-risk plays and safer ones. You can also add tokens directly from the sidebar by searching for them and clicking the star next to the name. And that's it. Your watch list will help you keep track of the tokens you care about, all in one place.